Hello, I am Yrene Navarro from the Palm Springs Public Library, and here I am to do a demonstration video for our summer reading program titled Reading Colors Your World. Today's tutorial will be dollar bill origami. So, the things that we need are dollar bills. You can get them crispy, so it's easier to make it look pretty. Then we need some elastic. I like to use elastic instead of ribbon because it stays better in the dollar bill. We also need some little tiny rubber bands, the ones that you use for the braiding. You will also need the glue dots. I prefer the very tiny ones because that way you can stick it in the very corner of the bill. Some beads. I had chosen the black ones because this is my daughter's graduation. And let's start. You're gonna hold the bill like this, facing you with the facing the top. Then you start folding just the tiny part, a little bit over the white corner, and then you just keep on folding back and forth the same exact measurement as you can see. And then you just keep going back and forth as many times as you need to finish folding the whole bill. You're gonna use about maybe $30 bills. It depends how big the lay is gonna be. You can do this lace not only for graduation, you can also do it for Father's Day, Mother's Day, showers, any celebration you have. It's nice to give something that you have made. So you finish folding, and then we give some pressure to the bill so it stays in the same folding. So it's gonna be like an accordion. Then we go back. You're gonna have like $30 folded like that. Next step will be to fold your little accordion like this, halfway through on one side, and then go back on the other side, fold it again like this. And then this is the time when you use the rubber bands. Rubber bands will keep the folding still for your project. So just make sure it is in the center of the bill. Next step will be to add the glue dots. Like I said, I recommend the very tiny ones. So you're gonna press hard in the very corner of the dollar bill and add the glue dot to the dollar. And then you press hard again. So now it looks like a fan. Then you're gonna go on the other side, use another glue dot in the very corner of the bill. Do the same, press hard, make sure it's nice and even, and then you have your bills ready to make your lay. We are going to start with our money lay. It's part of the origami family, folding the bills. So through the elastic, I want to add first one medium bead and then one big one, and then another medium, so it looks like this. Then I'm going to thread the elastic through the dollar bill, and what I like to do is to thread put it through the little rubber band so it stays, and then you can move it as you need. Then we repeat the same number of beads. The medium goes first, then we add a big one, then we add one more medium. So it's going to look like this. It's enough space for the bill to separate the bills. And then remember what I have said at the beginning. We are going to keep the bills all in the same side. So I'm going to send thread through the bill. I'm going to lift a little bit with a paper clip, a little bit the rubber band, and then I put the elastic through like this, and I will make the bill to stay still in one place, as well as the beads. One of the reasons why I like to use the elastic is because the bills stay still. Once they go through the rubber band, they don't move. And it's looking pretty good. I hope you're having fun making this. And it's gonna look one bead in between the other one, separated by the beads. And then we just continue. This is the way it looks so far. Do you like it? Nice and pretty. The secret code for the adult program is GOLD, G-O-L-D. You will earn a badge and the grand prize entry ticket. The way it looks once it's finished. And now we are going to tie the two ends as a final touch. And it's ready to go. Happy graduation, kids. It's pretty, huh? I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy our activity. Gracias. Hasta luego. Los veo en el programa de verano. See you in our summer reading.